A large amount of solid waste is generated during the production of steel, and these substances usually contain a large amount of valuable metal elements such as iron, manganese, and silicon. By using special binders to bond and briquetting them into uniform-sized briquettes, and then using them in kinds of furnace, these metals can be recycled and reused, reducing dependence on raw materials and energy consumption. The productivity of Jianjie metallurgical waste binder can be as high as over 98%, and the green briquettes will not break when it falls from 2 meters. After drying, they can withstand a pressure of at least 200 kg. In addition, air-dried binder has been developed for customers without drying equipment. After 2 to 3 days of drying under room temperature, the compressive strength of the dry briquettes can also reach at least 180 kg. Calcium oxide resistance binders have also been specially developed for raw calcium oxide bearing materials, and this product has granted a nationally certified invention patent. If you have other needs, please contact us and we will provide you with customized services.